see my stepmother show love to her kids, but not me. Me grew up, and when me run away, and I got people yard, me used to say mothers I love for them kids, and me want that love. I mean, so always I say, I wish if them could have loved me like how them I love for them kids. I wish if them could have hugged me. You understand? Right? Because me not grew up with that love. Yeah. So when time me end up have my kids now, I try to love them the best way as possible. Me do anything for them. And since of lately, me started to feel a way. What day when me tell you guys said me nearly crash out is when me realize said none of them, like mother said, the bigger ones say no, love me as how me love them. I feel like maybe me clothe them or me too much or me push them away. There's many things when me think about when me do because me try to take care of everybody, but me feel like then just resent me. You understand? And anything go wrong in a life, it's just mommy, you know, mommy, you get me? Anything at all happen. The same mother where them said they no want, or the same mother where them said that about, is the same mother when you get in a problem, you take up that phone, mommy, me dey down a station, mommy, me dey down a hospital, mommy, you know, say, somebody out a road that trouble me, mommy, me need this advice, what me fi do? So, it make me feel in a way like me no belong, like nobody no really, none of my kids them, me not talk about no man, my kids them, no need me. And me hear a young man say, they run to you. Yeah, always, all of them, daughter-in-law, kids, all of them. Used to be even more, used to be more kids that here at my home. Because Penny used to be at my yard, you know, where not my kids, you know. And everybody just good. Family, one big family. You understand? And that's one of the things where the person talk about depression, because there's a level with depression. You understand? And I'm not lie. I was bitter, like my bitter inside, right? And depressed at the same time when nobody see me, nobody no understand me. And therefore, I appreciate my platform, because yet still people bash me, but I have people who come and lift me up and make me know say you're worth it. You understand me? I may tell us that them there's something they make you cry. Them there's something they make tears run out of your eye. If you see a stranger can show you that love there. You understand me? Stranger can show you that comfort. You understand me? Stranger can make you know say you're worth it. You understand me? I wish you were my mom. And that break you, because you're going to look on that, and that's going to make you tears up. That's going to make you tear up. That's going to make your belly bottom burn you. I can't say that, because I'm going to rephrase and draw back real talk bestie. No, you say me pray about something, and my Father God, my daddy look on me and tell me, say, go ahead and do it. I'm going to go ahead and do it. I know you guys love me, but when I see my daughter, and she didn't sing a song, and she didn't cry, and the song was a song from Empire. I just want you to look at me. I'm Jamal. Me know she hurt, and a lot of you don't know her. I know her. And even the man who sleep with her don't know her like how me know her. I'm telling you that. Yeah, so when she played that song from Empire, it's a song with a family here. When we hurt, we listen to music. Music, sorry. Music. Me say music. Yeah. And that one song from Empire is a song when me listen to repeatedly when me hurt and when me in a pain. Because I did always feel like my father never really see me. My father have 5 kids. No, yes, yeah, we're gonna go up on that. My father have 5 kids, right? I want you to watch my hand because me go take time and talk so you can understand. And that's how the music they come in where repeatedly me listen to the song there where she end up a listen to and I know she heard. Now my father have 5 of us, right? Look, 5. Now my big brother, my big sister, me, but me is the outside person. So me is the black sheep. And now you get my other 2 younger brothers, right? So in the middle, I'm the black sheep of the family. My father, me love my daddy and me not gonna say nothing bad, please. And I'm not no bad, but it's how me feel. In the family, I think them pay mind about the other kids them, but not me. And to me, it's more likely when you have something where you can give your parents will love you. And me feel resent like my family them not love me, or me feel like me and nobody. My father not love me as much as only loving other rest of kids them. And my father married to my mother, right? So my father married to my mom, right? And the end of the day, I feel like him love the other rest of kids them more, who can give him things. I feel like him pay them mind more. You understand? And this and now me realize it. And in my heart, me just feel like none of them not love me. None of them not see me. So when time Anna started to sing that song is when time is the same song me sing. And I always say, why my father not see me? Why my father can't love me? Why my father can't love me as how he love the other rest of kids them from my stepmother, right? And I play that song there repeatedly from Empire Jamal. And I just know that she hurting inside because now she gonna feel like me love the other rest of kids them, why I can't love she, but it's just her ways. Or maybe we're similar. You know, maybe me and Anna are similar. Ain't nobody ever think about that. Like me and Anna have certain attitude and maybe that's how we not really agree. I'm not gonna change my mind because my hurt her as well, and as a mother I could have done better. You understand me? So at the end of the day, I can be the bigger person and reach out to her. If she don't accept, that's fine. You understand me? That's fine. But the whole family now go move on and enjoy themselves, and she now go do it. Right? The whole family now go come together, or Chanel as a daughter-in-law can come back, come enjoy herself around the family, but not trying with her. Right? So, and I fear now, we're gonna try. So if anybody with me, fine. You're with me. Who don't, I understand. But I'm gonna try. Alright? So guys, it is a good topic this morning. Big up to everybody who subscribe and come in. I definitely didn't want to talk about another topic. But they don't want to talk about something else. I'm here. All right, Hannah. We didn't want to talk about a different topic. I guess me I can move on because this topic get me a lot. It get me emotional. It even make me tremble. It make me tremble a lot. So me I can move on, and we will see how it turned out, right? In at the end, like how we gonna attempt. So me can move on. All right, the person, me see people are send me more requests. Honestly, me don't want to take up anymore because a lot of requests are come up. So let me try with the last person here. So, all right, we need to talk about something else now. And the topic we want to talk about now, guys, is I can't put it on my page. I can't put it on my YouTube page, but people they don't want them that video they over there. So I have to talk about the topic here, right here, so on TikTok. All right. Hello, hi,
Miss Annie.
my name.
How
Thank
are
you,
you
baby.
doing?
Oh, somebody do it. I'm not gonna obey man because God said don't gonna obey man. Me not gonna obey man. But somebody spend their money and do it. It's not
Yes.
natural. It is not natural. I'm telling you.
Calm
My
down, Miss
God,
Annie.
tell me. Me pray over it. You understand me? Somebody said it for broke my family. From the day me come out and talk about the abuse what happened to me. You understand? And them turn it on my daughter. You understand me? But me
Yes,
can't
I'm
gonna
telling you,
hold
my
your man
prayer
because
that
God said don't gonna whoop your man.
what I want you to do, Miss Annie, is go down on your knee and pray. Break everything because nothing beat necessity. Nothing beat prayer. Nothing beat prayer. My mama tell her, I'm my second mother, I feel it. I have you as my second mom. Alright, Miss Annie.
All right, baby. All right. Thank you.
No
Yeah.
matter what, the people that must say on the internet that Anna do, she'll try to reach out. But here what I want you to do, Miss Annie. Go down on your knee and pray. Shame the devil and shame all of the haters them, Miss Annie. You're a purpose for God. God love you. God love Anna. Don't let anybody turn your mind against her.
I'm not good, guys. My good. My good. My good. We're good.
She needs you right now.
Um.
She's calling out. She's reaching out. But she's doing it the wrong way. But she young. She don't understand. She young. She don't understand. Me is 37 years old. I have 2 kids.
Baby. I love it, guys. Continue, cut, baby. Me here with you, man. I'm here.
They
Me now.
have 2 kids. And I was reaching out for my mother love the wrong way. I have a best friend that sit me down and talk to me and tell me the same thing. No make nobody turn your mind. If she reach out to you and want help her, Miss Annie. And I follow the little haters them where you see on the internet because you see the social media something will bring you down and it bring down your data. Curse them and run them because them not important. You feel pain, Cara, come here, Miss Annie. You feel the pain. Whenever you miss you cry, me cry. Me love you so much, Annie. Me and one woman I tell me say, oh, why you watch out the cross this woman for? Me say leave her alone. Leave her fucking alone. You can't tell me say don't talk to her. And you can't tell me say no watch her video them. You don't know what a person is going through. Go down by your knee, Miss Annie.
All right, baby. Thank you so much. And thank you for the love and the support you here.
Alright, Miss Annie. Take care.
Yeah, man. All right. I got you. I got you. I got you. Thank you so much. And thank you so much for being here on Team Blue. All right. Because for you love me and you support me and you watch me. And even when your friends say, oh, you watch across this woman there, you said, leave her alone.
Right, leave her alone. You can't tell me who you watch.
You support me. Thank you.
You
Thank you
just
so
know
much.
say you have another daughter out here.
All right, my baby. All right. And thank you for support your mother. You hear?
Okay, mommy, love you.
Love you, baby. Love you, love you, love you, love you. Thank you. Oh, my God. Guys, we think we're going to like maybe drop a subject a little bit. Oh my God. Now my friend send me one request. And Anna, guys, there's so much request here. So may I take up she first?